This right here is a $5,000 prop firm trading account that you can use to trade and also withdraw your profits. So there are two simple methods you can use to claim this bonus, and I'll be showing you both in this video. Okay, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any step and you can get your own $5,000 account without stress. So the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, so it's going to bring you straight to this channel. Okay, so if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so I can be getting daily update. Okay, and 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel if you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses. Please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos. Okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video. Okay, so let's get into the video. So the name of the site is Funding Forex. Okay, you can see it right here, and you can see that it has limited time access only, so don't miss out. Okay, so they said they need skilled forex trader to trade 5,000 accounts for us. So you can see it right here. For the private prop funds, you can see you trade our money and it's a 50-50 profit share. Yes, so no secret rules or tricks like prop firms, so easy process. And what you can see, they have easy simple trading tests. Okay, so you can see we have 17 days left. That's why we have what limited time access only. So we have 17 days left. So now the next thing for us to do is to enter our email, okay, to be the first to get notified when we go live. So we have to enter our name, our email, select our country, then pick I am not a robot. Then you can join the wait list. Like I said before, that we have two methods, yes, which I'm going to show you. But before that, let's enter our name and our email address and the rest. So let's do that right now. Okay, so I've done that already. So I'm just going to click on join the wait list now. So they're creating my account. So as you can see, I've successfully registered and they've sent a verification link to my email. Okay, so I have to click on the link to activate my account. So once I get verified, I'll be redirected to my exclusive dashboard. Okay, so let's go to my email right now. Okay, so I've gotten their message already. I'm just going to click on it. Okay, so this is it right here. You can see it. Welcome to Funding Forex. Okay, so thank you for joining our exclusive waitlist. This is one of the steps. You have to join their exclusive waitlist. Okay. Yeah, so you have to join their exclusive waitlist where you will have to wait. Okay, so there is another method, like I said, where you might have to refer people. That is, you have to refer up to 5 people. Okay, so that's the second method. The first one is that you have to wait, and the second one is that you will have to refer nothing less than 5 people, which is very okay. Okay, for you to be able to claim the 5,000 accounts. Okay, but let's first verify. So I'm just going to click on this verify email address right here. Okay, so my email has been verified. Yes, my email has been verified. So now I have been added to the waiting list to get to $5,000 funded account. Okay, or if you don't want to use that method, if you know that you don't want to wait, you can also use the other method. That is, you have to refer 5 people. You can see it right here. You can choose to refer 5 people to also claim the account. Okay, so you can do any one of your choice. So as you can see, we're supposed to pay at least $59 to claim this account, but you can see that we're getting it for free. Yeah, so note, you must only refer people you know who are forex traders, so everyone will be texted for the skill. Okay, so you can refer people if you choose not to wait. Yes, you can bypass it by referring 5 people. So once you refer 5 people, you'll be able to claim this $5,000 funded account. Okay, so do well to go and claim yours right now. It's still available. As like I said before, we have 17 days left. Okay, so if you know you got it, just comment that you got it, or you can comment, and you can also comment the country where you are watching from. Okay, so go and claim yours right now. So thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep earning. Peace out.